Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Jabra Engage 75 headset and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this headset not working properly, if it's not pairing or connecting or syncing with the bass, or if it's not making sound properly, anything like that, this hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. The other reason you might want to do this is if you're just trying to set this up as a new device on a new network and everything like that, just getting a fresh start by wiping everything off can be a good step. Now this is going to reset the bass and the headset. So what we need to do, since we're doing both, we need to have power to it and we need to make sure that our headset is docked on the bass properly as shown here. And then we're just going to press and hold this button here for 2 seconds until the advanced settings menu opens up. And then there'll be a plus and minus that'll show up on the screen. You'll just hit the plus button and then the check mark. You'll hit the plus button to select bass and then the check mark to confirm it. And then we're going to go back here and we're going to toggle down to the reset configuration option. And then once we get to the reset configuration is highlighted, then we are going to hit the minus button to select yes, and then hit the check mark to confirm it. And at that point, everything will be reset and it will reboot back into its factory default settings and we can set it up as a new device.